Hi, I'm Allie with Northwest Registered Agent, and today I'm joined by Taylor. Taylor, thank you for joining me.
Yeah, I'm happy to be here.
Today we're going to be talking about how to get a business bank account and what you will need to keep in mind if you're trying to open one in another state. So Taylor, a client asked me if they could open a bank account for their business in another state. Is that something that they can do?
That's a great question, and it's not completely straightforward. Some banks will allow you to open an account in a state that you don't live in, but others might not.
Okay, so do they need to open a business bank account?
If they have an LLC or a corporation, separating your business and your personal finances is essential to maintaining that liability protection, so it could be a good idea.
So what is the process for opening one?
So there's a few things they'll want to keep in mind, especially if they're opening an account in a separate state. They might need an EIN number, which is a federal tax ID number. They can apply through this directly through the IRS, or they can hire a Northwest Registered Agent to help them.
What else do they need to keep in mind?
So they could try to apply for a national bank account. That way they have a branch in every state they want to do business in, or they can go with an online banking option. That way they have no physical location at all. It's always good to give the bank that they're interested in a call just to make sure they have all their requirements met before going to open an account.
When the client goes to open their account, should they bring anything else with them besides their EIN?
Yeah, so it would be a good idea for them to bring a proof of identification, their business formation documents, an operating agreement or their bylaws, their business address, and a resolution to open a bank account. Northwest Registered Agent does offer free templates for a resolution to open a bank account as well.
Thank you. So today we learned that not all banks will allow you to open a business bank account if you aren't in that state. We also learned about the importance of business bank accounts in maintaining liability protection. We also learned that if you want to open a business bank account, you might want to get an employee identification number, or EIN. An EIN is a federally regulated tax ID number you can get through the IRS. Finally, we learned that for your business bank application, in addition to your EIN, you should have proof of identification, business formation documents, your operating agreement or corporate bylaws, your business address, and a resolution to open a bank account. Thank you so much for answering my questions today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And if you have a question, leave it in the comments. Spend more time helping your customers and less time hacking through red tape. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. You can find links to what we've discussed in the description below. We also picked out 2 other videos you might find useful. You need tools to build something big. Subscribe now.